How to change name on Varagesale. Hello friends, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to change your name on Varagesale. Now, to change your name on Varagesale, just follow the procedures that I will be showing you in this video. The first step is signing into your Varagesale account, just like I have done here. And then once you're signed in, you're brought to the page where you would see the various items shared by your fellow community members. Then once you can see this, the next step is to move to the lower part of the screen where you can see options like home, notification, post, messages, and then profile. Just click on profile, and then once you click on your profile icon, you go to your profile page where you see your profile picture, your profile name, the city, my stuff, transaction, sim. So once you can see this, the next step is to go to the lower part of the screen and then click on settings. And then once you click on settings, you'll be brought to the settings page. To change your profile picture, all you need to do is tap on it this way. And profile picture will change, and then for location, you can see edit about me. So here, this is where you focus on. Just click on this way, and then go ahead and write more information about him. Now, currently, as you can see, back to this page, you can see that your name the on your account is automatically your email. All right, so to change your name is to change your email address. Okay, so to do this, as you can see, there is no further way, or there is no direct way of doing this on this page. So all you need to do is to contact the help, like contact the customer support or Verage Sale to go further. And to do that, go to the lower part of the screen, click on the help option, and then on the helps page, you can then check out questions of how can I change my name, how can I change my email, etc. And then once you see, you will see articles that are related to those questions or that answer a particular question. Follow the instructions, and then your name would be changed. You can also contact Verage sales support directly by going to the lowest part of the screen where you can see the option. Can't find what you're looking for, email us. Send an email directly, and then an answer will be provided. Thanks for watching, and have a good day.